Lake Cunningham Village in Omaha, Nebraska is a steep rolling site. It was engineered by Short Ellie and Hendrickson along and planned by us. These are architecturally shaped homes that have, including the lot, intended to go on the market starting at about $150,000. That's was the goal when we planned the site. Where it is currently, I'm not too sure, but we worked with the architect to have architecturally shaped homes. That means we could get high density without the homes feeling high density. It is just south west of Lake Cunningham, and from the entrance here, as you pull out of the entrance, you could actually see the lake. So it doesn't look like a or feel like a affordable neighborhood with homes at that price point, and the homes will feel and look much more expensive. Lake Cunningham Village.